Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to plan in my, or decorate the spread. I keep saying plan, but I'm not writing any plans. We're going to decorate the spread in my social media planner, which is the Colorful Leopard vertical lined layout. So yes, this is actually a planner that does not start until July of this year. But as you can tell by the tabs on my dividers, I actually took months from the 2022 layout, and the dates match up. It's just that I think this was September, so I just whited out September up here, and I'm going to cover it up with a floral. So anyways, it's March 29th through Easter Sunday, April 4th. So let's get started. Now this will be my Easter spread for the week. So I didn't do an Easter spread in any of my other planners. So if I can get my sticker off of the wax paper. Oh, I didn't even tell you what sticker book I was going to use. So I'm going to be using the spring sticker book as well as the orange seasonal classic size sticker book. So these really pretty flowers, I ripped this one, are in that orange seasonal sticker book. And I want to just put this one up at the top, this cluster. So I'm going to see if I can still use this flower or this cluster without showing where I just ripped it. So let's see if I can do this. That wax paper does not play when you plan your stickers ahead of time. So I planned these stickers last night, and they were stuck good to the wax paper. Okay, and then I'm going to save these scraps because I may be able to use them elsewhere in the spread. I do have my stickers already chosen. Just trying not to show them to you. And so Oliver is complaining again in the background. Alright, and then I'm going to take, this is actually a spring cleaning list. And I'm not going to do any spring cleaning. Of course, this is my social media planner, but it's a vertical box, and that's what I needed. So we're just going to let it say spring cleaning. And then I'm going to try to line this up as best as I can. And then I'm going to take this little bicycle that has a basket full of Easter eggs and put it down here at the bottom. And then I'm just going to make like a little fun Easter themed sticker spread all along the bottom. So what I'm going to start with is a yellow egg, and I think I'm going to put it going this way. And then I'm going to take some more florals from that seasonal sticker book, if I can get it off of this wax paper. Oh, okay, I got it. And then we're going to put this flower here. Whoopsie. I'm not going to white out any lines because that is just too much in this spread. There are a lot of lines. Oliver, goodness. I think he's complaining because I'm talking and I'm not talking to him. So, anyway. I don't even remember what I was saying. Okay. Oh, I was talking about whitening out lines. So yeah, that's just too much. There's too many lines in this layout, and I'm not even going to let it bother me. So we're just going to come down here at the bottom, continue on with the little cutesy Easter stuff. I think I'm going to move this orange sticker over just a little bit. This is an orange flower, not a big old carrot. Okay, now let's keep going the bottom of this side. I'm going to use a purple egg. And I think I want this egg to go this way. And then another flower. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it a secret, so I'm trying not to let you see what I've already got chosen. We're going to put these flowers here. I'm not going to lay those down very good just yet because I'm not sure if I'm right on my spacing. So we'll put this Easter egg here. More flowers. And then we will put the Easter bunny on Easter Sunday. So do I want to spread this out a little bit? Maybe. Let's slide everything over just a tad. I may tilt this egg just so it takes up a little bit more space. Okay, that's cute. All right, straighten this out. I kind of messed up those stickers. All right, so I have a sticker that says Easter that I'm going to put over the little bunny. And I think this was in the spring sticker book, I hope. All right, and I'm going to layer a couple stickers on Easter Sunday. So I have these pretty stripes and this sticker that says Easter. And I actually think we're going to start over here on Saturday and then layer into Sunday. Okay. And I don't think that I'm going to be whiting out any lines on this stripe sticker either. I don't know if I should cut that out. I think I will, just because those stripes are really dark behind there. I hope that's on there straight, because here we go. Ugh. I will never understand why I cannot cut a straight line, even with a guide. It's just not meant for me to cut a straight line. Alright, so hopefully these will peel up good because I had them on wax paper. Okay, and I may use these stripes somewhere else in this spread, we'll see. To try to coordinate both sides, I'm not sure yet. We'll see what happens. And then let's put Easter back down. Or Happy Easter, I should say. Okay, that looks much better to me. All right. Now, what else on this side? So there's not a whole lot more to this spread. I am going to pull in some yellow because I have the yellow Easter egg over on this side. So I want some yellow over here. So I think that I may just offset this today sticker here on Thursday, and then just come in here with this cute little polka dot banner sticker. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I was going to use a Hello Weekend. Where can I put this? I don't know. Don't know that I want to use this now. Let's see, how is it going to look if I put it here? Not too bad. We might leave that there. All right, now I just want to put a few more stickers on this side. So I only have 3. I want to take, so I have the yellow box and the teal color over here. So we're going to come in with purple and pink on this side. So I think I want to, let's see. I always like, for some reason, I like to offset my boxes. I don't like them to be directly in the column. I just think that they look better if they are a little bit offset. So that's just personal preference. You do your spreads whatever way you like the best. And then I'm going to put Think Happy, Be Happy starting on Monday and carry it over to Tuesday. Okay, that is cute and fun. And I did not use this anywhere. I wonder if I could maybe layer it a little bit. I don't know if I should even really bother. I don't think I'm going to, but I will put that back in the sticker. Okay, so my iPad just ran out of storage space and it cut me off. So what I was saying was I wasn't going to use the leftover pieces of that vertical box. I'm just going to put it back in my sticker book. I want to see if there's any more of these. Yep. These pretty flowers. And I think I want to put a couple in here. Then of course, you know, I'm going to come in with some washi. So let's see if we can't go in with this one. Right in here somewhere. Let's see. If I pick this up and come in behind it, and then maybe come in behind this vertical box. Just to kind of use it as a filler. That's cute. And then maybe one right here. So these are my only options, and since this is a pink box, this is a purple box, I'm going to use this stemmed one, but I'm going to cut the stem off so that it kind of lays in my box, or kind of looks like it's behind the box. Okay, that's cute. All right, so now let's come in with a little bit of black and white washi. You know it. So this is my newest collection of black and white, and I really like, I love these rainbows, but I don't think that's gonna go. And I love these hearts. You couldn't even see that, could you? I love these rainbows, and so I got these hearts and the rainbows. I think I got these on Amazon. I can't really remember to be 100% sure. I think I'm going to come in with a little bit of this skinnier, like dotted washi. It's not exactly polka dots. I don't know what it is. So let's see, where do I want to bring this in? I don't know. Maybe a little bit right here under the purple. If I can just get it straight, we'll be better off. And I'll use my card to trim it here, and then I think I will angle it this way. I don't know how that's going to look. We'll see. That's cute. Okay. And then maybe just one more place over here. Maybe up here at the top. Let's see what this looks like. Gotta get that straight. And then maybe we'll angle this one this way. Oh, it ripped my page. Dang it. Oh well. It is what it is. We'll rip this here. Oh, sorry. I can't believe it did that. So sad. Now, do I need any more anywhere else? I don't think I do. I don't even think I'm going to go there. So I think this is it for this spread. Let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. And then I have one more video to film. Actually, 3 more, but 1 more today. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is my Easter spread in my social media planner. It's the vertical line layout. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you do that. And then if you're not subscribed to my channel, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.